Yeah, got a just a tutorial. If you ever do any gutter, resealing or gutter repairs, it can be costly. Some people that want to change a whole roof, when all you can do is just get this product, liquid rubber, Melbourne, and it's like a, I don't know how you call it, it's like a membrane you can just put in the gutter. It's not a permanent solution, however it'll get you through a winter or two, and it's about $90 a bucket, and all you got to do is stir it up. It says here, stir well before use, and you can take that how you like, but I don't know, if you stir it up it might be, what can you say? Anyway, that's the tutorial, and hope that can give a bit of relief in COVID-19 era. Alright, give it a go, and give it a thumbs up, and we'll keep you posted on handy tips for COVID-19.